Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can make a screenshot on the Xiaomi 13 Lite. You have three options for that, and the first and probably most common one is to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time, and then it will make a screenshot. The second option you have is to slide three fingers down the screen and then it will make a screenshot as well. And the third option, and I didn't know you can actually do that, is to press and hold three fingers, and then you can go ahead and just choose a part of the screen that you want to take a screenshot from, and then you can say save, and then saved successfully. And now you can go to your photos, and then you have your screenshot here. You can also edit this one. You can edit all the other ones as well. So these are the three options you have, and to enable these settings you need to go to your settings, go to additional settings and gesture shortcuts. You have the screenshot here and then the partial screenshot here. You need to have this enabled. It's enabled by itself, but if it doesn't work, make sure this is enabled. So you can check here, and then, well, you can take a screenshot or you can just screenshot parts of your screen, whatever you like. So that's how you can make a screenshot on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.